Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Abid Sargani. Viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about food animals and their importance. तो खाने के लिए जो एनिमल्स इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं और उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस कौन सी होती है, तो इस टॉपिक पर आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Now, what are the food animals? These are the food items that come from an animal source, for example, meat and milk and their products. These are the food products. And what is meat? Meat is an animal flesh that is eaten as a food. Now, what is the food? Food, any of the nutritious diet which is to be consumed, and it provides the energy or proteins to your body tissues of the animals or humans, and for that purpose humans have slaughtered and hunted animals for meat since prehistoric times, and this process is still continue today. So food animals, and what is the importance of the food animals? Now, the Pakistan, being the fifth livestock producer country of the world, contributes 61.1% in the agriculture sector and around 11.5% of the total GDP of the Pakistan. Now, GDP stands for the gross domestic production, and in which gross value addition of the livestock is 1461 to 1505 billion Pakistani rupees. That is an increase in last 2 years of 4% around. And meat animals population is 206.9 million heads, and Pakistan is considered as the 9th meat producer country of the world and 19th largest meat exporter. It means that it exports the meat to various countries like Arabia and China, and gross meat production is around 4,955,000 tons. And Pakistan current food animal population species wise includes cattle 51.5 million species or heads, and buffalo includes 42.4 million heads, and sheep 31.66 million heads, goat 80.3 million heads, and camel 1.1 million heads, while the poultry population in Pakistan is around 89.84 million numbers. So this is the average or total population of the food animals in Pakistan in numbers species wise. In Pakistan there are various sources of the meat in which buffalo, cow, sheep, goat, camel and poultry are the major sources of the meat. From these species, meat production in 1000 tons is beef produces 2380,000 tons and mutton 765, and poultry meat production is 1809,000 tons, and total meat production in Pakistan is around 4,955,000 tons. And the other one is scope and importance of the meat production by poultry industry. Poultry industry is 9th, Pakistan is 11th poultry meat producer of the world. Contribution of the poultry is 1.4% of the gross domestic production of the Pakistan and 7.5% in the agriculture sector, which is 12.2% livestock value and contributing around the 162.8 to 175.5 billions, which is an increase in last decade around 7.5%. And poultry meat export is costs around the $6,084 US dollars, and 35% share of the poultry meat in total meat production is from the poultry sector. And now the status of the meat export from the Pakistan. Total meat export is around 7,08,968 metric tons, and beef export is 1.2 million tons, and mutton exports is 0.67 million tons. There are also 30 private sector slaughterhouses and 14 Pakistani exporting meat companies. So today's lecture was all about this, and these are the various edible meat products which are used for the human consumption. So thank you very much for watching my video, and like and subscribe for further videos, and also share to your colleagues and friends for knowledge. Thank you very much.